They say which we should find the quartiles for the following set of data. And then we said for us to talk about quartiles, we need to check our data. Is it in an ascending order? Let's check this one. Is it in an ascending order? It looks like that. So we have 5, 6, 8, 16, 19, 28, 30. Okay, let's go and get the position of Q2. It's going to be 1 all over 2. And how many do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Plus 1. And then we get 5, 5. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We need to go back to 5. Then we have 16 plus 19. For us to get Q2, we're going to tell them we have 16 plus 19 divided by 2. We get 17,5. That is our Q2. Okay, they will give us 1 mark for that. Okay, next, we want 50% of 5, 6, 8, 9, and 16. What is the middle value here? It's 8. Then our Q1 is equal to what? 8. Let's check this one. We have 19, 23, 25, 28, 30. What is going to be our middle value? So our Q3 is going to be equal to what? 25. So we get 3 marks.